Hey guys, me Misha here. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's finish up the list I've been working through. I worked through my monthly levels on the on set on Friday. Sorry guys, couldn't stream it. However, I need to continue sorting them out because it's not always convenient to do it from my phone. Yeah, here's another level. Oh wait, I slacked. So this was it's a continuation of the trend. Oh yeah, daily watch. Ooh, that's how many daily watches I have. Yeah, those are all valid daily watches. Indeed. Boom, boom. That's a point five. Sweet Caroline. Dun, dun. Just watch this movie. Don't ask me to pronounce it as French. Noir, Noel. The movie about the movie about how Godard made its world famous hit Breathless, which allowed, which established Jean Paul Belmondo as a movie star. It's a great picture, both the Breathless and the movie about the movie. They both are beautiful. I enjoyed it so very much. I enjoyed it so very much. Yeah, it's kind of counter trend now, but how does it help for us? Because well, reaction bar is like sign of strength really. The support is supporting bar, and we don't like it. We would much rather have um the jump over creek to do that for us. It was not bad for like quick short trade maybe. I don't know why. Once and twice. Leave it alone. Boom. Oops. It's definitely getting to the levels, but what dynamic is very brutal. This Brazil, Indonesia. I'm sorry, Indonesia and Brazil. I don't know, just telecom. I think I have some Brazil telecommunication stock. That's why. Um, but yeah, mixing up mm, Indonesian, Brazil. That's all you need to know about me, basically. Dun, 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 dun. It's right there. On volume T1. So what can you do? Dun, 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 dun. Absolutely unvolumed. It's going down. Look at this volume. Doesn't look any good. And that was a spring with a test. Like just gigantic. And so was this. It was a spring test. Too big. Our trade should be like nice and quick, unless there's something extraordinary in terms of the monthly, yearly levels. Other than that, they better be quick. Better be quick. The caterpillar shows something like fjord shows, but fjord shows it like at the bottom. And caterpillar is pretty much at the top. All state. That's a nice two bar up thrust. The only problem is like bigger than anything we had on the correction. And it's always a correction right here. It broke up. Oh, it's not a good place on monthly or yeah. Break and that's really a um, supporting bar in the perfect 0.5. And monthly, the place is interesting. And it's up thrust, two bar up thrust volume, good up to 0.5 of this motion. But on daily needs to break this thing down. So yeah, Raspatsky is really good for short. Everything is good for short. Not everything, but a lot of things are good for short on Russian market. Maybe it's Russia finally feeling the heat of war, or maybe it's just seasonal on the market. It has to correct, it has to go down. I think a little bit of both and even more so indecisiveness because like when country is in a state of war, and I'm not like talking about like abroad, but I'm domestically. That's what it is. It's um, that's the reality of it. Mm. I think no one just people are afraid to invest money, and there's no international capital, which was like a driving force of Russian market. Unfortunately, it's just what it is. I don't know what I'm trying to see here on daily. Yeah, it broke, so it's monthly now. Until technically it's counter trend up to 0.5 unvolumed spring though, so forget it. Sorry. This may be another. They're very similar in volume. They're very similar in volume. Look at this guy. Look at it. Iron Limited or Iron. Looks like it's up to no good. You see like the seller's tail. The seller's tail here is fine because it was jump over creek and volume distribution was good, but then this stretch and then even more volume and then it doesn't go. So doesn't mean it's good for short, but it's not good um for long either. It's good for monthly watch. Okay, our monthly watches. Our monthly watches. Mm. Net, the stock I'm stuck in the 60% profit through my Russian broker, but it's just frozen. There's no way I can. Maybe there is a way, just I'm too lazy to deal with it. No. I think they were doing some exchanges in stocks, so maybe I can transfer it to my American account. I don't know. It's good for a continuation of the trend. Why is it on my... not really. I've seen like this. Um, Oracle. Why did I decide to just like this? I did some money on Oracle against the system. This is like too young of a stock, isn't it? And that was correction. So the short movement, yeah, should have been seen independently. And it showed a beautiful balance here. Isn't it beautiful, this balance? But then again, the volume spring and then test. And then that was an entry like this. Wait, hold on. Oh, I was glitching. Yeah, this is wild. Monthly is in the wrong place. Maybe something quick on hour, but an hour it was, yeah, this. Let it mellow. I have more than enough of stock to observe. And this is good for a continuation of the trend. And change direction with all this volume. It's still good for continuation of the trend. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I see now why. Yeah, that makes sense. Pfizer. It's getting there. Let's put it on a day watch. Yeah, I failed UPS like around here. Hub. Wait, it's good for continuation of the trend. Yeah, yeah, it's good in continuation of the trend. Dun, dun, dun. It reversed and it did this break here. So now it's in 0.5 and it's gonna be good from this 0.5. Ugh, it's a big list. It's too big of a list. Yeah, the problem is Lockheed Martin. It's already reached its potential. Mm, that was down from the phone. He can see. He can see. Um, don't even need it on the monthly watch. When it comes to like here, that'll be all right. That's United Health Group. Yeah. This 0.5 doesn't matter anymore because it's already interacted with this level. Yeah. Bigger volume on test, but now we closed above. we're about to close above this test. So it looks like a good accumulation here. It can go. Um, it can go. That was the sweet spot, of course, but mm, I'm just making sure that I didn't. I think I marked out everything because when I was working on set on the phone, I still marked out um, all the stocks like flags. I disciplined myself because before that I would work on my phone and I wouldn't like change the flags because it's such pain in the ass to change the flag from your phone on the stock on the watch list. But then I was like, you really gotta like nail it. It's beyond its potential, so why even have it on the monthly watch? I want to make a trade in Dick's Sporting Goods just because of the name of it. I have to have at least like one trade on Dick's Sporting Goods. You know what I mean? It's in point 0.5, so it's not good in continuation of the trend. Comcast. Look at this guy. Yeah, once it comes to the yearly level, yearly or annual or year level, what's the best? Like, what's the proper English way to say it? Or there is none. Uh, okay, guys, I'm gonna go, or I'll take a look at another stock and I'll puke. I worked through my flagged, and there's like too many on the daily watch and then monthly watch. So for tomorrow, hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. This is the massacre. It's a little better. Yeah, I wanna break even on this guy. I would consider buying from here, something super quick. And also like now I already let this limit order go, but if it doesn't like break me out here and go down there, then like I'll reinstate it and we'll break even. Yeah, this is like two trades I'm in right now, and I feel good about both of them. Uh, this guy to buy more here. This is how I was closing my 1/3 and 1/3. So I'd buy more from here now. Magnet actually set up like to close position if it opens anything above to 280 actually. That was rough, but anyways, yeah. I'll play it short. I'll play it short till like here. Well, Half of position I'll rebuy here, and another half I'll rebuy. The losing position I'm in right now, which like I don't even know where it is. It's so high up there. And that's the trade I'm in, and I feel good. And add more from here. I'd add more to this position and to this after test. Yeah. And that's a good level to buy, to sell on Gilead. Amazon is interesting, of course. It will close in the break most likely tomorrow. I broke even on Amazon. Uh, on Friday. Wait, what is all this? Yeah, not so much to work of. We'll see what tomorrow brings us. This is interesting on ice. The monthly level is kind of, yeah. I don't want to get stuck on it. So, like, only real stops, of course, doubtfully. So, buying a call. I haven't bought a call yet. I was only buying puts. Alros, yeah, that's doable. That guy too, if it comes here, which I doubt. GD also like too low, but we'll see. Okay, guys, trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like minded.